So before we try to find the antiderivative, we can think about how we could rewrite this algebraically. This is the same thing because powers on top of powers multiply. This is x to the 3/2 power. A square root is a 1/2 power, and so you have 3 on top of a 1/2 power. 3 times 1/2 makes 3/2. And so this form is a little bit easier because when we find an antiderivative, we're using the power rule in reverse. The antiderivative, capital F of x, the power is going to go up because we're going the opposite direction of a derivative. So it goes up by 1. So 3/2 plus 1 makes 5/2. But then we also have to multiply by the reciprocal of that power up there. Otherwise, if we didn't do that, the derivative would have a different coefficient. Now, if you were to take a derivative, this 5/2 comes down and multiplies to 2/5 and cancels out to make 1, just like we wanted. But just don't forget your arbitrary constant c, because look, this derivative would be this. But if you were to add 2 to it, the derivative of this would also be this. If you were to add negative 5,000, the derivative of a constant's nothing, right? So arbitrary constant c.